If you contact the technical department concerning no oil being delivered, we might ask you to check to make sure the internals are lifting. Now, I'll do this before we fill it up with oil so you can see. That's the internals through the middle there. Look at this bit at the top, and once you start the engine up and the vacuum takes place, you will see it lifting. That is it shut, and that is it open. So once you find a location for your reservoir and put your delivery tubing in place, you then want to fill the reservoir and prime the system. So the first thing you want to do to fill it is remove the rubber filler cap, get your bottle with a tube on it, put it in, and fill up. So during this stage, you only need to fill about halfway, but just to make sure you've got oil in, so when you prime the system, it's okay. So that's it filled. Then turn your dial all the way around to prime. Take your filler cap and remove the top cap. Add that to the bottle. Put the cap back on. But at this position, hold the bottle down the way, because you only want to put air through there, you're not wanting to put oil into it. So if you hold it there, push, squeeze, and you will see the oil start coming down the delivery tubing. That's it. Once you're right through to your sprocket and the dispenser nib, you then stop, remove the cap, take the end out, and then fill it up to the location. Now, because this is sitting at an angle, I wouldn't really go any higher than there. And if you refit your cap, and put it in. Now here, always make sure this has got a breather through it, so you can't block this up. Always make sure that sits at the highest point, and that way then no oil can seep through the breather. So that is you ready to do your settings on the reservoir. If you actually see there's some air gaps in the delivery line here, if you get that, it will be more than likely you're getting air in through the tubing here. So all you need to do is take the tubing off, cut a fresh 5mm gap on it, then refit the tubing, and that will take away your air gaps. If you have a blockage and you're still not getting any oil, we might actually try to clear out the reservoir for us. So what we mean is, take the cap off and get your bottle again. Fit as if you're just going to prime the system up again by putting that in, holding the bottle there, and try giving it 3 or 4 good heavy squeezes. So 1, 2, and you can see the oil coming out the bottom of the line. So that's good. You might need to try that a couple of times. Now if you try that and it doesn't work, the next thing I'll show you is cleaning the reservoir out. If I ask you that you might need to clean the reservoir out, the first thing you need to do is empty the reservoir of the oil. So it's quite a simple procedure. All you need to do, remove the reservoir, remove the rubber filler cap, squeeze your oil bottle so it's a reverse vacuum, fit it into the filler hole, tip it up, and there you go. It will start going back down into the bottle. And this might take a wee while depending on how much oil you have in it, so just bear with it and it will empty it all out. If we ask you to flush the system out, this is the procedure you take. You empty all the oil out, remove it from the bike, and get a leading penetrating oil, spray it through the filler hole, so you've just got some in. Turn the dial round to prime, put your thumb in the fire hole, and just give it a shake. This will just break up anything else that's in there. Then to flush it out, it's just the same procedure with priming. You get your cap again, fit it to the reservoir. I will show you over here, and just push. And you can see that clearing it all out, no problem at all. You may need to do that a couple of times to clear it out. Don't worry about a wee bit of oil in the bottom. when you top it up with oil, then prime the system up again, that'll go through it, and that'll also help clear out your delivery line as well. That's it.